Good day, students. This one is video number 9, and this is of class 12. The chapter is environmental issues, and topic is biomagnification of DDT in aquatic food chain. So, it's video number 9, class 12, chapter environmental issues, topic biomagnification of DDT in aquatic food chain. So, first of all, we have to learn what is DDT. The DDT is the abbreviation of insecticide. The name of the insecticide is dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. So DDT is an insecticide, and the full form of DDT is a chemical dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. It's used by farmers to destroy or kill insect pests of crop plants. But when the DDT is sprayed to the crop plants, the DDT reaches the soil, and through the soil it reaches the groundwater, and through groundwater it reaches almost all the water bodies. So this DDT goes to the soil, and in the soil it percolates with the water and goes to the groundwater. From groundwater it goes to the water bodies. The water bodies are rivers, lakes, even seas and oceans, because rivers opens into the seas and seas open into the ocean. So ultimately it reaches the seas and oceans also. Now when it reaches the aquatic environment, that is the water bodies, then in the aquatic environment there is a food chain. Now let us discuss the food chain in the aquatic environment. The food chain always starts with the plants, and the plants are microscopic plants known as phytoplanktons. They are in the water. Now from the food chain is from phytoplankton are eaten by zooplankton. The zooplankton are eaten by small fish, and small fish is eaten by large fish. Human beings are always at the last of the food chain, at the top of the food chain. So large fish is eaten by the human beings. So this is the food chain in the water body or aquatic food chain. Now in this food chain, we'll see that in the water the DDT has entered. Water has got DDT. Now what is the percentage of DDT in the water? It is 0.003 ppb. Now what is the full form of ppb? ppb means parts per billion. So per billion molecule of water 0.003 is the amount of DDT. So DDT is concentration is 0.003 ppb. Now the water reaches the phytoplankton. Then in the phytoplankton the concentration increases, and concentration here is DDT concentration is 0.003. The same concentration is there ppb. But in the food chain, from phytoplankton to zooplankton, the concentration is increasing. It becomes 0.04 ppm. The DDT concentration, you see, from 0.003, it becomes 0.04. So concentration is increasing. Then a small fish, it further increases. It is 0.05 ppm. And in large fish, it becomes 2 ppm. And human being, it is concentration is highest. It becomes 25 ppm. So you can just see from 0.003 ppm in the water and phytoplankton, it reaches 25 ppm in the human being. So there is a very high concentration of the DDT which is reaching the human body, and you know that DDT is toxic. It is a poisonous chemical, and if it reaches the human being, it is human body, it is going to harm the human body. This is how it is reaching. This phenomena is known as biomagnification. Why it is known as biomagnification? Because bio means living and magnification means increase in concentration. So there is increase in concentration of the harmful chemicals which are reaching the water bodies, that is from one stage of the food chain to another stage, and this is known as the trophic level. One trophic level of the food chain to another trophic level of the food chain. This goes on increasing, and it becomes highest at the last trophic level or the topmost trophic level, which is mostly the human beings. Now the question is why this concentration is increasing. There are reasons for it. Number one, DDT is a non-biodegradable waste. That means the DDT is not degraded and not changed into less harmless chemical. It remains as it is, a harmful chemical, a toxic chemical. Secondly, it is not excreted by the animals like zooplanktons and the small fish or large fish or human being. It's not excreted out. That's why the concentration goes on increasing. Because as you move from the one trophic level to another trophic level of the food chain, the number of organism goes on in decreasing, but the concentration remains the same. If the concentration remains the same and number of organism goes on decreasing, then because concentration remains same, why? Because it is a non-biodegradable waste and it is not excreted. So concentration remains same, but the number of organisms from phytoplankton to zooplankton, zooplankton to small fish to large fish to human being, it goes on decreasing. So the concentration of the harmful chemical increases, and that is known as biomagnification. Now we have to know that what are the phytoplanktons which are found in the water bodies? Algae, cyanobacteria, bacteria. These are the microscopic plants which are found in the Protista, like you have the Euglena, Paramecium, Euglena. These are the ones. And zooplanktons are, these are the, phyto means plant, plankton means the floating plants, plants which are floating on the surface of water. Zoo means animal and planktons means floating animals, and the floating animals are insect larvae, and also the hydra, so this is how from the phytoplankton, microscopic plants which are floating like algae, cyanobacteria, bacteria, the harmful chemical goes into the insect larvae or hydra, which are zooplankton. Then they are eaten by the small fish, which goes into the body of small fish. Then small fish is eaten by large fish, goes into the body of large fish, and large fish is